How to check your credit score in Bank of America application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can check credit score in Bank of America application. So without further delay, let's get into this video. First of all, open up Bank of America application, and after that make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your login credential, tap on login, and you'll be logged in into your account. So after you're logged in, you will see this kind of interface. From here, you have to go to your dashboards. So you may not found the option to view your credit score under the account tab. Tap on the dashboard at the top right corner. Once you're under the dashboard tab, there are various options. That is my checking, my rewards. Just under that, there's an option as my FICO Score. So make sure you tap on my FICO Score to view your credit card score. Once you do that, you'll be taken into this page where you can find your score now. And on the Bank of America, your score is managed by the TransUnion, and you could also read some of the key factors affecting your score as well. So in this way, you can find or check your credit card score in Bank of America application. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.